So this is a beautiful day because my special journals are in here. I can't wait to share them with you. So this is so exciting to actually see my creations in person. Oh my goodness. They are beautiful. Oh wow. Just beautiful. Oh, look at this. Oh, how beautiful. Wow. Make each day count. How exciting. This is my music one. This one is for music lovers. I am so excited. They are just so beautiful. I just love them. Just beautiful. So when you open up the planner, you have your personal information page, who it belongs to. And then this is how the pages look. You have your to-do list. You have your top priorities for that day, what you're grateful for, your daily goals, your meal plan, your water intake, your notes, your doodle section, and then your appointment list. And you have a number of pages to keep you on track for every day and during the week. It's so beautiful. These are my beautiful creations. I am just so thankful